I gotta make my lunch, man. I'm gonna be down for like 30 minutes or something like that. Bro, I'm so hungry, man. I swear to God. Yo, my bad, guys. This is the ADHD kicking. Sometimes I cannot put this back, man. I know, John, it's my fault. I'm the one who left it there. Don't take your now. Thank you, boss. How do you like to pay? Cash or card?
Card.
Okay.
Have you got a,
let me get this.
Machine?
Yeah. The machine is like this nowadays. It's gonna be 31 bucks after tax. Let me make sure of that. Okay, 28 plus.
Oh, y'all don't got a machine?
Yeah. No, the other way, like this. Let me show you. Give me a second. Just have to do this way, facing this way. Can you see?
Oh.
Yeah. I'll send you a receipt.
Okay.
Bro, email there, or I can write for you one if you want. We will wash it off everything from your car other than bad credit, man. And bad record. Yeah, man, he ordered the rim love wash. That's $28. After tax, it's gonna be 31 bucks. It's like a work car. And it's summer, everybody wants to shine. So we're gonna take care of him. Let's do it. Yeah, man. Now I'm just gonna soak it with the soap, you know. It's got two color doors on this side, and okay, it's about that time we hand wash it with this brush I have. Yeah, man, this thing is massive, man. It really does everything you need. Yo. It's 3 o'clock. All right. Let's do this. Yeah, man, this way, this way. Okay, yeah. Neutral, boss, no wipers, no brake, steering wheel like that. Gotcha, man. I'm gonna give him a nice tire shine, hand dry this guy very well. I'm gonna give us some love and charge him 30 bucks just like that. Okay, I got it on, bro. Get the door before the city give me a ticket. Freaking city. So my friend here seems to be in a little rush, you know. He didn't wait for the machine to hand dry it, so I think he seems to be in a little rush, so I'm gonna make it rush. Man, that's a big difference. When he came, and right now, oh my God. We will wash it off everything from your car other than bad credit, man. And bad record. You have a bad record driving, you cannot do that. Bad credit, neither. But bugs and everything else with the car, bro. Right? شرف حمام مويه واحد البكاء كذي. هذا شرفتي زي هذا كوتالا.
No credit check, no fucking food.
No, I mean, like, if we try to wash the criminal record too, it won't wash off, bro. We'll do that, but it won't wash off. Okay, almost done. We gotta add that to a tire shine. You know, I'll discard some tire shine. Way above the last 2-3 things. What's sir?
The Windex for this window?
The Windex?
Yeah.
Okay, but I don't think we'll take that off, but I'll try to do that. Yeah, man. If you see a detailer doing it with a brush, old school, bro. Thank you, boss. How do you like to pay? Cash or card?
Card.
Okay.
You got a
Let me get this.
machine?
Yeah. The machine is like this nowadays. It's gonna be 31 bucks after tax. Let me make sure of that. Okay, 28 plus.
Oh, y'all don't got a machine?
Yeah. No, the other way, like this. Let me show you. Give me a second. Just have to do this way, facing this way. Can you see?
Oh.
Yeah. I'll send you a receipt.
Okay.
Bro, email there, or I can write for you one if you want. Thank you so much, boss, for coming.
Could I use your vacuum?
Yes, yeah. You want to use this?
Hey, there was a guy back there.
Yeah. You can turn around like this, come from the plug, park over there, use all you can. All right, brother. Thank you so much. Yeah, he wants a vacuum. We do self-serve vacuums free. Anybody who buys outside wash, and if you buy monthly plan, we give you unlimited self-serve vacuum. Monthly plan, one question is $1 a day. Who's out there? A customer? Oh, yeah, that's a monthly plan. He's doing self-serve. You want it to be done for you? Yeah, man, you pay premium. You want to do it yourself? Yeah, do it yourself. Or sometimes, like my friend, I'll help you. Come, let me help you, bro. Thank you so much, man. How you been? Good, and you? Very good. People will see you in my TikTok, man. Huh? The other power washer? I don't want to do that because that one spends a lot of water. This one good for the business. Yeah.
I think this one's more better than this one, right?
Yeah. Better for you, yeah? For you like that one. I know Africans, they like electric and they like petrol things. That works on petrol. That one is electric. Africans, they don't like. You see African guy, he goes to the store buying a mower, he will buy a petrol mower or a diesel mower. You know, he won't buy the electric one. He'll tell you, I'm gonna get bored while doing it and sleep on. Hi boss, get it. Yeah man, you can go inside. Yeah, I put you on the drive-thru. I gotta make my lunch, man. I'm gonna be down for like 30 minutes or like that. Bro, I'm so hungry, man. I swear to God. Yo, my bad, guys. This is the ADHD kicking. Sometimes I cannot put this back, man. I know, John, it's my fault. I'm the one who left it there. Don't talk your to me now. Man, it sucks when you're poor, man. If I was having money, I would buy a freaking $300 reel coming from up with the button you touch like this. The shit comes down on you. All right, let's do it. I'm good to go, right, boss? I'm good to go. If I put this one on the thing, I'll go make my potato, man. Yeah, he's gonna drive himself. Let me give him a test of heaven today. Yeah.